to my first YouTube video. On this episode of this YouTube channel, I will show you how to make Ghanaian bread with my own adjusted recipe. First, we have the flour, butter, sugar, yeast, nutmeg, milk, and then salt. Four, about 5, and a half. Take a little bit of the sugar from there, then maybe add it, mix it, leave it there for about, let's say, 10 minutes or until it's sunlight. Then you add margarine, margarine or butter. I like using margarine since my margarine already has salt in it. And normally you need 1 tablespoon of salt, but I'll use about half tablespoon of salt since my butter already has salt in it. Here we have it. And then you add a bit of nutmeg, the sugar, and then you mix it. My hands is already clean. Mix so it starts to become a little bit like this. You see the butter color? So you get something like this. And then make a hole. Use a machine, and then we wait till the yeast is done. Now we are kneading our bread. We start with the cake. 4 large eggs, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of flour, mix with a little bit of nutmeg, 75 grams of milk, 125 grams of yogurt, 12 grams of baking powder, 32 grams of starch, corn flour or corn starch, whatever you call it. And then, before we start, we add a pinch of salt It's about, let's say, half teaspoon to this. Add our baking powder to the flour, cornstarch to the flour, mix it. Mix it thoroughly. Okay. And then we add our sugar to the egg. Beat it until it's a little bit pale. See this color? I want it to be this color. Now, you start by adding our milk. I normally use evaporated milk for this, but I do not have when I don't have it, I substitute milk. And then we add our melted butter. Beat it a little bit more. Vanilla flavor. I don't like flavor in it, so let's add it. Let's check on our bread. You see? There's a little bit more time left, okay? Let's take a little bit more, then we can shoot the bread. While we are waiting for the bread, let's start by adding our flour. We are done with our bread. We are done with our bread. Baking sheets or paper, what you guys call it. It's already hot, so we'll put it inside like this, and then set the time to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we'll come back. And then, yeah, let's check it. Okay. Okay? So it's good. And then we move it to see, and just remove it. Like that's melting or it's sticking. Oh, great. It's gonna get up. Something like that. Now for the taste. You get it. Okay. It's more than 20 minutes and then we are here to check it. You see, it has more than doubled in size. You see? We'll be entering it here. Oh, it's hot. And then 470 degrees, 25 minutes, we bake. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes and we're done. Everything is perfect, it looks good. This one is still hot, so we can't open it yet. We need it to cool it down. I'll post the recipe and then you can follow along. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like it. And like, thank you. Hi.